today I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious 包子 dough. 我要教你们做那个包子。Okay, we're gonna show you how to make the dough of Chinese buns, 包子. Okay, for that we're gonna need 2 cups of flour. We're gonna need 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon of yeast, also a pinch of salt, and we're gonna also need sugar, 1 tablespoon, 一大条根糖. And a half cup of warm water. I forgot to say 中文这是叫什么？我忘了。这是就是粉那个给它弄比较软一点的。这个是酵母，要1小条根，还有这盐巴一点点就好了1大条根糖跟温水，差不多半杯温水。Okay, so we're gonna start putting the yeast to the flour. 我们把这个怎么说，这个酵母放在面粉里面And we're gonna put also the sugar. We're gonna put the sugar. Okay, 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons and a little bit more of sugar. 一个大条根糖. And I'm gonna put also the 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm gonna mix. Okay, I'm gonna put the water little by little 水加进去，这样慢慢的加进去。Okay, and we're gonna form a smooth dough. Okay, like this. Okay, remember that for the dough, it depends in the weather that you're living, so the temperature has a lot to do with this, If you need more water, just add some more water. If you need more flour, you add more flour. 你需要多一点水，你就加多一点水。不需要的话，你就加多一点面粉，看你的天气是怎么样。Okay, we're gonna let it sit like for 10 minutes. 我们给它休息差不多10分钟，把它盖起来。We're gonna cover it with a cloth. Okay, and we're gonna wait 10 minutes. 等10分钟。Okay, now 10 minutes have passed. 10分钟过了and I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour. Okay, and we're gonna keep kneading. Okay, now I'm gonna make it like about 2 inches thick. And I'm gonna start cutting in equal pieces, okay? And we're gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna shape it. 这样子差不多切一半然后再给它均匀好 we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour 放一点点麦粉 so we're gonna squeeze it. Okay, and we're gonna shape it. And you see that in the middle, it's bigger. 中间比较厚. Okay. This time we're gonna use custard for the filling. Okay, 我们今天要用蛋黄，一个甜的蛋黄去包This already made, so this I'm gonna show you another video 在别的 地方我再教你怎么做。Okay, so we're gonna put one in, and we're gonna okay, and we're just gonna close it like this. We're just gonna fold it like this. Remember to fold it right, and then I'm gonna form a round shape. 记得这样子给它弄圆圆的，这样子哈。一定要放在一块纸。We're gonna place it on over parchment paper, and we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. 我们要给它做30分钟。Okay, now they're ready, so I'm gonna put them in our steamer. 我们放在我们的锅子，要拿去蒸我们的蒸锅。I'm gonna put 4 in each floor. And then we have to wait 30 minutes before cooking. 要记得要给它等30分钟，过了30分钟以后，我们才开始煮。Okay, our buns are ready. 我们的包子好了。哇塞，你们看，多漂亮 ！They're so big. Okay, 我们要吃了。We're gonna eat our buns. Remember to remove the paper. 把纸弄开。Okay, 我们要打开来。We're gonna see. 哇塞！Yummy, 太好吃了！希望你们喜欢。Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 不要忘记喜欢，还有按钮。